Yeah, hello everyone. You're welcome back to FinTech Space. Do you remember Snapstar Trading App that I made a video and I uploaded like 4 months ago? So this is actually a new stage, new level right now, and if you actually jumped in, congratulations to you. So we're actually moving closer and closer and closer to token generation events, the TGE. So this is the new updated mini app. That's a newly updated mini app, just as you can see on my screen. So you can see here you have the markets, you have the wallet, you have the points. So you can also trade currently in the mini app. So you have different sessions: the trading session, the mining session, the friend session, the guest session, the airdrop session. So let's just quickly explore each and every one of them. So if we click on markets, what are you going to see? You can see that you have some trending tokens here that you can actually trade. Trending tokens. You can also click on top if you want to check other ones based on their market cap. So you can see it's listing from the biggest to the smallest. You see, so North coin is actually the biggest one here in terms of the market cap. So down to Hefton, that is the trading aspect of it. So if you also click on wallet, it will show you what you already have in your wallet. So these are the tokens that I have in my wallet. So I have this token, just 5 tokens, and they are all worth $5. So that's what I have in my wallet. You get that? So what else again? So you also have your points. So you can see here I have 778,000 Snapstar points. So I am a whale, just as you can see here. I am a whale. So if you've actually started the day I uploaded this first video, you should also be close to 600, if not almost 700k, just as I am right now. So, and mind you, you are not spending any money, it's just for you to claim regularly every 8 hours, and also get to do some tax that actually comes around for you. So you get that. So if you also click on mining, you get to claim your points. So if you click on friends, you get to claim the points. You click on cares, you get to do the cares and actually collect all of this. And lastly, if you click on the airdrop also, I'm very sure if you're actually mining this project, you should have connected your Tone wallet already. So but if you've not done that, kindly make sure that you do that, and also try and also run a transaction to actually confirm your wallet. But if you don't have the fee to actually do that, that is no issue. So you can see that the airdrop is actually coming on board. So now we are at the stage 2, which is the trade on Tone. So you can trade any amount. So for you to make use of the platform, and just to at least show your track of transactions or your record that you are actually a user of the project. You are not just there for airdrop. Do you get that? So make sure you go and do this right now, right away, so that you can actually get started. So, and I don't know when they'll be launching yet, but make sure that you come on board. So if you scroll here, you can see Snaps airdrop is coming, just as you have it there. New cast are live. Trade to earn Snapstar points and invite friends if you can. So trade to earn Snapstar points, that means you can trade to earn points, and after the beta testing, so they are the testing stage, more or less like you are testing the strength of their platforms before launching. So they are trying to launch a DEX, decentralized trading platform, where you can trade coins, where you can trade your tokens and stuff like that. You get, so if you trade, you can earn points, and that will be, you get 5,000 Snapstar points for every 1 ton of trading volume that you use. Do you get that? So that is just a brief update concerning this Snapstar trading app. So in my next video, I'm going to run a video on how you can trade on Snapstar trading app. Do you get that? Alright guys, so I think I will have to end this video here. And if this is your first time on this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel, and also put on your notification bell, and also share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. Until next time, this is FinTech Space with Team Base. Bye for now.